What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of the Shine On Network, and just a tip. Today, it's glass cleaning time. We're gonna show you the age-old 100-year theory and myths behind glass cleaning, but we're gonna make it super quick and easy for you, especially when it comes to windshields, on how to clean them properly and make sure that you have crystal clear glass when you're driving day and night. You don't have all the smears, that you don't have fog hanging out all over the windshield. We're gonna show you exactly how to clean your glass properly. Now first, we start off with our favorite glass cleaner, Spray Away glass cleaner. This is a foaming glass. I love this stuff. We've been using it for years. And we also went ahead and there's actually specific glass microfiber towels. They call them waffle weave towels that are specific to your glass. Old school technique was newspaper, it was paper towels, it was your shower towel, but this has been designed, these microfiber towels, specifically for your glass. So we're gonna send you around to the passenger seat. I'm gonna jump in the driver. We're gonna show you exactly some key tips on how to clean that glass. So what I like to do is when you're on the driver's side of the car, you're gonna be utilizing your left hand. I know that sounds crazy, but instead of you trying to reach and contort your body to get into this bottom area of the windshield, we're gonna be utilizing our left hand and laying basically on the footwell of the car. As we spray the glass cleaner, I like to do the first half. Missed it, you don't need a lot. And then like I said, my butt is sitting on the footwell here. I'm gonna go ahead, lean in with my left hand, go up, down, across, get in that bottom, come back up, and wipe across. And you're gonna take your dry towel, again, left hand lean in, and polish it off. Now for us here, what we like to do, just in case there is some streaks, say this was a smoker's car, someone that applies makeup, or you're somebody that just hasn't cleaned your windshield in a long time, what I like to do is my final wipe, I like to go left to right on the inside, and then I like to go top to bottom on the outside. What that's gonna do is it's gonna show you exactly where your streak is. If you see a streak that's going side to side, well, you know that you missed a spot on the inside of the windshield. If you have a streak that's going top to bottom, well, you know you missed a spot on the outside of the vehicle. That way you're not chasing, jumping in and out, being like, where the heck is this at? The streak is, it'll be side to side will be on the inside, top to bottom will be on the outside. Also, other tip to get in the bottom corner, what you can do is you can fold your microfiber into a little triangle, spray some glass cleaner directly on to the glass or to the towel tip for just a tip. And you can actually just put this down into that corner and slowly move it along. All right, everybody, that's how you properly clean your windshields. Again, left side of the vehicle, left hand, right side of the vehicle, right hand. Use some foaming spray. This is the best stuff out there with your proper glass microfibers. You guys have any questions, please reach out. Thank you for checking in. That's just your tip of the week. As always, guys, keep shining.